it is playing a crucial role in everyone's life. Today, about 300 billion people are speaking English as their primary language, and about 350 million people are using it as a secondary language. English is a language of globalization. In this age of globalization, English is essential for every person. For interaction, if you meet any person who is new to you or any person who is of another language, so you need a third language, right? Because you don't know his language and he may not know your language. So English is a medium which can be useful to you to interact yourself or to increase yourself. So coming to my presentation, firstly, importance of English in business. In business, for every person, in business or trade, English is essential because you might be doing.
You just put up little more up.
You might do the business with any country or something. So if you know English, you can easily communicate with them, so that you can develop your business or you can gain profit in that.
Oil also there, no?
Next, English in education. English in education. You know that English in education. You know that English is more essential for us because every book is written in English. Rather than languages, almost every book is written in English. If you Google anything in the internet, you might have seen that everything will be in English. So it is much more essential to have knowledge of English. Next, in job, we know that almost everyone know that.
Little up. Show everyone. Like
Almost
this.
everyone know that English is much more essential. Even our faculty say that we can. So develop your communication and this is all because English is very much essential for a job. If you don't have a knowledge in English, the company cannot bear another translator or anyone just because of you. They'll hire another person who have a better communication skill or something. English in information. For having information, as I told earlier, in the Google also, if you Google anything for any information, that will be in English. So, in order to have a brief or clear information, you must have a knowledge of English. So, nextly in media, almost everyone of us watch cricket or have accounts in social media, right? Everything will be in English. So even our cricket commentary, all the cricket commentary will be in English. Of course, obviously that may be in Hindi. So most of it will be in English. So to have effective understanding or to have a brief understanding, we must have knowledge of English. So English in culture. So English is mainly brought to our country through Britishers. They have brought English. So nowadays English has become a culture. So everyone like to speak in English or communicate in English. So it is much more essential to have brief knowledge of English. And finally, I conclude by saying that English is much more essential in our daily life. That is to have some jobs or anything. Without English, English is like a visa. So if we go anywhere in the country or any place or whole the world, if we know English, that will be much more helpful to us, and we can live happily by knowing English. So we can move ahead by learning English. Thank you.
Good. Any
Very
questions
good,
for
very
her?
good. Good.
She was more